It is a beautiful, amazing, wonder. More now, okay, no, they enter my shot. No, they enter my shot. You see now. You see, as me, you leave and therefore leave only me. You understand my fine face? If I don't bright this, everybody TV where they watch this thing.
Sorry.
Put it on only me.
Person will do that thing just now. Person will just do them. It's not spiritual.
Put it on only me.
It's not a spiritual ceremony.
Only me, myself, and I. You don't want this my black and red lipstick to show. Put it on only me.
More than put it on it now. They don't put it.
Yes, sir. Black and red. Black and red lipstick.
Why? But why could they use that?
Wait, let me. This is my moment of fame. Please.
Sorry.
It is with great joy and pleasure from the Kokos of my inside that I welcome you on to the show PADI. Yes, this is a show for people that are on the same intellectual level as us. So if you feel safe for this show, we know well, that means we are really on the same page. Yeah, so welcome to PADI Show. And my name, Namayoa. My moment of fame. I know you are feeling me. Oh my God. You don't mean it. Thank you. No auto. Okay, don't carry on. Come out. They don't put you. Okay, don't put me back. Wow, they don't put you.
They put you. They put you for stew. And yours get too much ginger this morning. What's
wrong with you? You can't be doing that.
Nothing's wrong.
You cannot be doing that.
No. Some days just be like that.
No.
You know if you get ginger.
Huh? So patois. You speak patois. What kind of person
I did try to ginger myself.
What happened?
You see, on something you need to learn this thing.
Ogola, give me your account number. You don't get ginger, Abi. Ogola, give me your account number.
No be joke.
Give me your account.
Wait now. Wait now. Uba Mike Kende. That bank will be orange.
Okay.
Well, put 0011755627.
You don't get it.
So just in case God touch you one kind.
You know, so I should just shout now.
Allah.
Your ginger don't show.
The way I go present this show upside down in my head. God know. Money the ginger person life.
Yeah.
The lack of it, they kill person.
I'm telling you this thing. That's not why we always talk about. So no matter what situation you dey, I better walk. Now when you dey young, we dey talk to the youths where they outside. Now when you dey young, walk this walk and go to school. Because you see this one when we come here, can't they do so? We got school.
They don't know.
We not be drop out.
Hey, person come talk say
we pass for school.
See, it be like say we they do this, we need to speak English.
Ha! They want to try us.
He pay me.
They want to try us.
See, they don't know they speak English.
They want to try us.
Well, let's go there. Let's let them know what's up.
Good morning, viewers at home. It's a beautiful and amazing weather today in the city of Lagos.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where you are, but wherever you are, I'm pretty sure you're having a good time because it's a beautiful day and joy is quite contagious, my darling. What do you think?
Yes, joy is a very beautiful thing. And I mean, very
contagious, honey.
Very contagious. Is the word. And more importantly, we welcome everyone to the PADI Show today on the Wazobia TV. We're just doing this to make you guys realize that we're very good at good spoken English.
Yes.
We're well educated. And of course, this one, what we do like this, then I hustle.
Okay,
hustle.
Yeah, so we need you to understand that we speak English.
Yes.
We are very learned people, but we speak Pidgin because of the hustle.
Because based on the hustle, we just got to speak the Pidgin. You understand? We got to lose.
Yes.
More your cut rope.
Yes.
Because once you say English speaking sometimes, say they hold you. No, can't make move. So based on say all the craze.
Yes.
I mean.
There is a pros and a cons.
It say not the other one. It says someone person now like Akbororo.
Yes.
It no come craze in craze.
Yes.
If you're not there where I did today now, if you're not be ambassador of something.
Yes.
But waiting, how many English you don't speak now? We don't carry go your level.
You understand? So don't be thinking as if we didn't really have a certificate. We are quite a graduate. What's wrong with you?
So basically, ladies and gentlemen, we're just, we're making you guys understand that we're very good at well-spoken English.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much.
Now that we have made our points, would you like us to go on a break now? So we can come back and give you your gist.
Exactly. All right, so let's go on this quick break. By the time we come back, we'll be launching deeply into the show called the PADI Show. All right, let's go there.
His name is Ogbole, by the way.
And she's Mayowa, by the way. Attempt to. Second guy just.
The first bite when he bite, the other guy just rap everything.
Now just as just like this, and then just look up and say, no, I don't catch up. Because that guy will finish. I go know people there when they don't grow up for. Maybe that guy go boarding school. All
right, you get something when I want to talk real quick. As a reminder for those of you who will be saying just join us on this show. There's something you need to know. This particular show. With a mix pidgin, with a mix English. So anyhow, when it be, make it be like that.
Yeah.
But we need you to know, say, for this show, a very natural show.
Natural.
We didn't really use the form about anything.
Unscripted.
Very unscripted.
PADI unscripted.
Yes, PADI unscripted.
Yes.
You understand? We didn't really use to... You feel like...
so good to do one show like that.
PADI unscripted.
Yeah. Oh, my mad gun.
Yes. So we didn't really use to form about anything. No. This show is a take as it is.
Yes.
If during the course of the show, something enter my nose, I feel like sneezing. I'm going to say, excuse me, and I'm going to what? Thank you.
Yes.
You understand? So if during the course of the show, something happen and I need to go out, I'm going to say, excuse me, and I'm going to walk away.
Yes.
And come back later.
Yes.
So I need you to know that this show is the most natural show you can find anywhere.
Spontaneity. Oh, spontaneity.
Spontaneity.
It means when you just do without script. Okay. Not when you do without script.
When you tear without script.
You
understand?
Because some people don't know say some people tearing.
Off and they go.
Sometimes people they tear anyhow. Now scripted things.
Yes.
But our tearing they unscripted.
We do things spontaneously.
Okay, that's now how we do now.
Okay.
Unscripted tearing.
Yes. Joe and your mom. Thank you. Give us the yarn. You want to give us or we going to go read?
Yeah.
I didn't hear that, honey. What did you say?
Now, welcome now.
Yeah, that's what I'm not hearing. You're not talking loud.
Okay.
Yeah.
You do Japan and China.
India.
I took India yesterday, so me I just throw them.
So just tell them so you be Spanish speaking.
You go to suppose to interpret now.
Start. Welcome back on the show. We get plenty gist for now. That means say make una just relax, enjoy.
That
one when you talk, you say you will regret it.
Perfecto.
We are perfect.
So
simple.
We just
if you for more learning, go on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI. We will teach you all those things. So when we talk now, if you know the same with what we go reply you, but no worry, all me one thing.
Yes, because we are linguistics.
All right, talking about French, honey, you want to talk to them in French?
In French? Yes. No, more do French.
No, because my gist is about French.
Okay. Lavavant et tu laver.
So, je suis le parla, je le parle bien, et je suis là
so you can put on those enter the language. T'as la voix, t'as la zina devlé.
Je suis devlé. Babar.
You get the stretcher.
Yeah. So for inside Paris. A French mansion where we say them Kim Kardashian and Kanye West been want to do their wedding that year, but they no do them. That particular mansion, they say the thing worth about 301 million pounds, approximately 301 million dollars, approximately 200 pounds.
Wow.
Yes. Now this particular one they call him Chetu Louis 14. Then complete time for 2011. This thing gets the furnitures, the architecture, the building of a 17th century estate.
Wow.
I will tell you what. This particular guy, what they call Charles Emile Clerc. Now he owned him that year for 1888. He can demolish him. Then finally for 2008, one Ahmad Khashoggi can't decide say he won't redo am based on architecture things. Say he they fascinated by 17th century architecture. You know, say architecture na wetin I do.
Yes.
Now 17th century architecture na very fascinating architecture. Now architecture will be say inside this particular house, then get underground club.
Okay, underground club.
Yes, there is an apartment inside water where you go actually see fishes swimming and it is transparent.
Wow.
You fit see them. Now, the marble, they use that to create delicate mercury for the floors.
Wow.
You understand? Now, these things when they talk, the bathroom tiles and they there and the statue there on top the tiles of the former French monarchy, Louis XIV.
Wow.
I'm telling you this thing.
So basically everything with this place.
Yes. It gets wine cellar. Very big one. It gets squash courts where they play something for inside. It gets home cinema. It gets underwater room. All of these now 17th, now just pieces and parts of 17th century architecture. This not just pieces and parts of them because it is very vast.
So now that be the most expensive property for the world.
What are you talking about?
Wow.
Are you kidding? $301 million, equivalent to 200 pounds. No, 200 million pounds.
But I don't see some house themselves where they get aeroplane parking space. So that means this one is cost past those ones.
Not be even about the parking space. Now the things where they make these things.
That means the house will cost mad.
You understand? Like the way where you go rent office space where they do block, take do. Okay. Different from the how much where you go rent office space where they do aluko bond, take do.
200 million pounds. Approximately $301 million.
Now there. You see the way where you don't do that your mouth. That is it.
That's it. That's the conclusion of the story.
That is it.
Some people they hear this thing and they look say, you don't consign us.
Hey,
let me tell you something. You have to look forward to things like this.
Now one person buy this thing, for that $301 million.
Some people say they want even go do wedding. My brother and my sister.
It's your concern.
It's your concern. You will make it.
You will make it.
You must make it in this life. You will make it. Big thing no go be. All this thing no go be big thing for your eye. You will make it. You will make it. You will make it.
You have to make it. Oh, yeah.
You will make it.
Call us for your movies. We'll give you soundtrack.
We do just the soundtrack for you.
Yeah.
Now, this one is inside Russia. Russia plays. Russia language, we never do Russia language because
we're not even sure.
We're not sure.
We're not sure as the language
because they are giddy plenty. Russia.
They be like fight.
They rush. Everything are rush. They rush to born, rush to marry, rush to everything, rush to fight, rush to so we know they like to Russia language.
We're not really a Russian language speaking people.
Exactly. So for Russia now, 21 years old man, what they call Vladimir. The time people say, see, when you want to keep pets, dog na pet. We understand. Even some dogs themselves, they don't cross from being dog to wild animal.
Yeah.
Some dog they.
Yes.
We don't keep people, we don't hear different type. Now, if you want to keep pets, birds they to keep as pets, you can keep goat safe as pets, chicken as pets, domestic animals them. You feel keep dog as pet. But when you go carry, they do say you want to keep snake for house as pets. Not be say just normal snakes, now it can't be king cobra as pets. Now, this particular guy now, 21 years old Vladimir, they say one day he just a feed in king cobra. Now, in girlfriend come they talk the gist because they did the house the same day when the thing happen. He say the guy doesn't feed and they give him food. Now from nowhere, 9 king cobra bites in your guy. He bites your guy finish. Now the girl rush the whole thing. Come they try to save him. Vladimir, as they follow you talk now, his own king cobra don't kill him. Last now, and they don't declare the guy dead based on say he keep for house king cobra where they very very poisonous. King cobras, as everybody know, are one of the deadliest snake for the whole world. In fact, for the cobra family, said then they even call him say he's part of the cobra family because he don't come past the normal thing.
Let me even tell you. Let me make I put padding stone for waiting you talk. Shebi you even tell them of the one we kill him. This guy gets series of snakes as pets. I'm going to read them out for you. He gets green mamba. He gets red spitting cobra.
Jata.
And the king of cobra. Where we say na killer.
The king cobra himself.
So not be say he get one snake, he get snakes. Dangerous, poisonous snakes as pets. For what? Why you want to die? Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want to hold tight the word to your chest? It's not really good. Don't die for nothing.
Different pets dey. As you talk this thing, I can't think. Actually, in actual fact, some human beings have na pet if you keep person. Not be joke. Some people all look say, man. Some people kill cobra. Now, woman. One woman will kill them for us.
Because
some people kill cobra. Now, man will kill them for us. So different pets they. We will rub the pet head of this. Say, oh, my pet. He kill you. So please be careful. I mean,
are you trying to say something?
No, even you can be a queen cobra. I mean, only if you be Najin. Please, what's happening?
Are you trying to say something?
What you try to say? The food paper.
Not respect yourself.
Not
beat me, woman battery. If you touch me, that is
you go shock you.
Battery against women. Oya beats revenge.
Battery against it. Battery against it.
Oya revenge.
Battery against men.
You see that?
Wait, see.
I win.
Not the joke.
I don't get that.
Government.
You win.
Government. When I put here for this thing,
don't get that.
Man battery day. Man battery day.
Shout for the
woman
show.
They do this kind of thing.
You are shouting.
You know good.
Shut your mouth.
No, my friend, you
but I will write
friend.
a petition against you.
Me, I will write a encyclopedia petition against you. Section 47, subsection 97, paragraph 17, chapter 2. It says that I quote, it's bad to knock man. And it's bad to hit a man. Don't keep poisonous snake for house. Finish. Thank you very much.
You go just see. Better more go learn this thing. So
No.
When we want to travel in the abroad, we go just jump from one country enter another.
My wife, you go learn this thing, you become a criminal.
Why?
Can only get a job CBN.
Please,
but don't try it at home. No go try for house. But ladies and gentlemen, we go like to announce the welcome back of the man who always brings stunt video for us.
See,
Jeffo.
See, I will tell you something.
Jeff is back from this video.
So I will just tell you short story.
Yes.
You see this particular guy here?
Yeah.
His name na Jeff.
Yes.
Yeah. Anything I say go there.
Yeah.
You know this particular guy?
Yeah.
His name na Jeff.
Yeah.
Jeff na our associate producer.
Yeah.
Now, Jeff, he no been there around, he go leave.
For a while.
Yes. When he come show back, now if you not see video where animal they fight human being.
Yes.
Or human being they jump wall.
Or yes.
Or
the person
two
knock,
people.
or people they want accident happen.
Then they knock their head for
yes.
Jeff.
Na Jeff. Anyone. So for those of them who don't know Jeff before now.
So
anytime we say Jeff,
just know say na the video.
One dangerous, wicked video just play.
Na Jeff.
Based on Jeff.
So we just say more tell you say Jeff na our guy.
Na our guy.
You understand?
And,
Petini chori patani mela chitatia. Le Jeff Johnny Pesi chori chupke.
Pataru patatu manatile patatu vriti ta pataru ta mata vrita patin teleta. Jeff.
Il est bonbon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now.
Back to the gist. Now,
back to the matter. I'm not singing the remaining because they don't say me. They know this.
All right. So, for those of you now where they're familiar with this particular game, what do they call Formula 1?
Formula 1, yes.
Yes. This particular speed demon, like they call him.
That's what they
Formula 1. This particular demon, they call him Speed Demon. Lewis Hamilton. Those when they watch him now.
Bad guy. I know the guy.
The guy now is a very bad guy.
Yaba.
Now, Lewis Hamilton now don't enter music. Oh yeah, he don't book a studio session, and you all know the people where they work with him.
Wow.
Kanye West, Drake, Will I Am of Black Eyed Peas, David Guetta, and that's DJ. David Guetta.
Yes.
Now, when the song can eventually come out, if you dey hear and you no go believe, say na Hamilton and they sing, because all the people where gone body to ram to make that song. They are, you understand? It don't be like make Drake, Will I Am, Kanye West, and David Guetta. Make them now join body together and make a producer song.
Really? See Will I Am, my guy. It be like me. You talk about resemble one kind. You know?
You not be alike. And that's true, not resemble.
We resemble now.
You see, that is, you understand?
Now DJ be that. DJ
Guetta.
So all of them come together, come to do Hamilton, Bedu.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
But like this, that means forget.
And you know, say Will I Am na producer.
Na producer I be. No, the rest of the producers so they produce.
They talk now.
David, the DJ said they produce.
Yeah.
Kanye West they produce.
Yeah.
But you know it's in for me. For those other guys that want to follow and do this thing. You say Lewis Hamilton money, racing money, not be joke.
Are you kidding?
So Lewis now, all those other guys that want to follow and do this whole thing, now see also. More leave the team. It should not be Lewis Hamilton Tell me how they will take gather together to do person song.
It just
so now hustle.
It just be like Mayweather now saying one sing song. Then go show.
You know, get Jay-Z.
Because
Mayweather featuring Jay-Z.
It's all about the money.
But last,
it's all about the money.
My wife, for this whole gist, he only tell you one thing.
Say.
The greats, they call onto the great.
Now there.
If you never big, some kind of big things no go follow you collaborate.
Now there.
You understand? So at last, you as a person, go outside and become waiting.
Go and big yourself.
Go and big yourself.
And I also want to say that show me what you do, and I will show you what they do. That means if you are a good person, you call on to good people.
Exactly.
If you are a bad person, you call on to bad person. So your doing is simultaneously proportional to the attraction of the doing.
Finish.
That is it.
If you not learn that one, forget it.
That's it.
You need personal evaluation.
Yes.
Exactly.
Your doing has to be in sync with the good nature of your human being's facts.
Directly proportional. Oh, Jagada Rabbi.
Jagaban.
Oh, Naga. My last gist now. Koson. Koson. These guys. Koson.
Yes.
Cooperative Society of Nigeria. These guys are they in charge of collecting money. Where some kind of people they play maybe radio, TV or something. They'll collect the money. Can't give the artist
royalty
and all those issues. Basically, now be the real work of them. They can't get other people them again. Disc and Cassette Dealers Association of Nigeria.
You know that they handle copyright now.
Copyright So these two are going to fight.
Of course.
Cause on they fight their own. Disc and Cassette Dealers Association of Nigeria, they fight their own. See again. You know say you know supposed to do like this. Why they arrest my people? Fight. But last, make I not to talk too much gist. Last now, as it be Justice Liman, we can they handle the whole court case and every. Come and talk say as it be like this. Koson get the right to do anything when they want to do to arrest anybody when they worry the industry based on copyright issues. You understand? To arrest anybody when they mess up, to do anything, to call police to come arrest people them. Because as it be like this, they don't give them the right to do them. So now government, court and everything, when I leave Kosono, now them be the police now inside the industry on top copyright issues musically. So this can Cassette Dealers Association of Nigeria, they say make your cheap. This one they don't even tell them say they must pay them 10 million naira for damages. God say, ooh, Koson win.
So last, God win on top Koson matter.
Bam, finish.
That is it.
Bam. That is the story for it.
Yes.
All right, so we'll leave out the gist. Anybody will get extra gist to come and talk about the whole thing. You understand? Even based on the Koson, even though I know say we don't talk anything about the Koson. But for this Lewis Hamilton, you know, based on what my wife was talking just now, saying, man, look, to be bigging yourself, go attract big things to yourself. You understand me now? You cannot be small and attract big things to yourself. No. As a big person, you bring. So you as a person, tell us, you know, on top Twitter, how did it affect you personally? Okay? At Wazobia PADI. At what thing?
Wazobia PADI.
One more time, at what?
Wazobia PADI.
On top Twitter. All
yes,
right, so
follow the station on top Instagram at Wazobia TV NG. Follow me personally at Mayowa Ekpo, EKPO, Mayowa Ekpo, EKPO Pico. Follow him at Ogbolo. And on top Twitter at Mayowa Lambe and at Funny Ogbolo, you understand?
Yeah, so quickly, laugh the laugh quickly, just sharply, just to make everybody mind calm down based on all our craze inside the studio. Wow.
You don't mean it?
I mean it.
You're tired.
Most funny video.
Carry and come out now,
That's called invention. You understand? This particular one, convertible. You can convert anything convertible into your life or somewhere else. Be an invention for yourself. Create something. You understand?
So,
Go TV.
On this note, we go soon come out.
Yes.
And don't forget, say you feel watch us every time, Go TV channel 98. We did do repeat of this particular one by 6
for local TV.
Yes, and on top local TV.
UHF 57.
UHF 57.
Yes.
If you catch us for
Go TV channel 98.
Yes, if you did for inside Lagos, local station UHF 57. Now, don't forget, say in this life, what goes around
comes around.
No, not really comes around. What goes around is people dancing to a music.
Yeah.
Because if something's going around, you'll be wondering, why you move like that?
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.